Okay, good morning everyone in attendance. Welcome to this pre-bidding conference for 24JF0030 and 24JF0032 and the pre-procurement of 4 civil works project 23JF0094, 24JF0044, 24JF0060 and 24JF0063. So wala ba? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, to start with, let us have our prayer through audiovisual presentation. Okay, may I request our back secretariat for the declaration of a quorum?
Good morning to all of us. Attendance for this morning's pre-bid conference and pre-procurement conference for 2024 infrastructure projects. From the Bid and Awards Committee, 3 members are present. From the Technical Working Group, 2 are present. From the Secretariat, 6 are present. We have also presenters from the Planning and Design section. We have the 4, 5, 4 presenters from the Planning and Design section. From the stakeholders, we have none. Wala. Mr. Chair, I now declare that the back is in quorum.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Nanay Nila. So, presenter number one, you may now present the technical profile of the project.
Good morning to everyone, to our back chairperson, our chief of planning science section, to the back vice chairman, general Resos, the back members, back member, engineer Milianis, uh, for the first project for the basic infrastructure program, multi-purpose buildings, facilities to support social services. Okay, points of discussion, project details, project location, appropriation, approved budget for contract funding source, and bid opening. Detailed architectural and engineering design, perspective, the floor plan, the elevation, program of works, manpower requirements, minimum equipment requirements, material source. Okay, for the contract ID 24GF0030, project duration 120, calendar days. Project name, construction of multi-purpose building, senior citizen. Okay. The location at Barangay Taway, Ipil, Zamboanga Sibugay. Appropriation 5 million. ABC is 4.950 million. Category small B, license category. Okay, okay, go. Okay, go to that. Okay, so for the architectural, the same look with the barangay hall. So the the area we have the senior citizen chairman's office, secretary. They have the pantry, the CR. For the ground floor, bitinganan din sa mga senior citizen. No? For the second floor, this is a multi-function room for other purposes. No? Other function, other like the SK, uh, other nga uses ng mga kuano sa barangay. That's why naging two-story siya due to the limited space sa ilang alat. Okay, the elevation is same with the previous na itong building design. Okay, good. So, for the program of works, may I call on Engineer Baluarte?
For the for the program of works, um, you may refer to the posting files, or you can just read it. Structural excavation, common soil, 48.22 cubic meter. Embankment, 46.1 cubic meter. Gravel fill, 14.5 cubic meter. And for the concrete works, structural concrete, 3,000 PSI, 59.98 cubic meter. Reinforcing steel, grade 40, 10,168.57 kilograms. Formworks and false work at 497.61 square meter. And for the other quantities, you may refer to the back posting files. Next page. Okay, pwede ba na next? Next, mga barato. Wala na. For the next project, may I call on architect Neopito Salinas.
Okay, for our next project is contract ID 24GF0032. Project duration is 120 calendar days. Project name, construction of multi-purpose building, youth center. Okay, project location at Barangay Kulambugan, Artilim, Zamboanga Sibugay. It's beside ang previous na itong building itong multi-purpose. Okay, appropriation 5 million and ABC is 4,950,000. So same with the previous building, a small B category. So our funding source is from our GAA 2024. So the exterior perspective is same with uh, ilang mga looks, no? But different lang ang iyang usage. So, ang sa ubos is ilang nga function hall, with chairman's office, pantry, CR. Then ang second floor, conference room na sa mga kabatanunan with a file room. So the elevation is same with the look with the barangay. Okay. Okay. May call on.
For the quantities, we'll discuss the major item of works. Number one, structure excavation, common soil, 48.22 cubic meter. Embankment, common soil, 46.1 cubic meter. Gravel fill, 14.5 cubic meter. Structural concrete at 3,000 psi, 59.98 cubic meter. Reinforcing steel, grade 40, 10,168.57 kilograms. Formworks and false work, 497.61 square meters. Next, next. For the department order basis, we use the Department Order 159 series of 2015, standardization of project duration for standard DPWH school building projects for the calendar days. Next, Department Order 60 series of 2023, revised standard pay item list for DPWH infrastructure projects for the pay item number and item description. DO 159 series of 2022, implementation of social and environmental management system operation manual. Next, DO 116 series of 2018, tree cutting and earth balling permit application process and requirements for DPWH infrastructure projects. And building permits, National Building Code. Next, um, amended rules and regulation implementing law to enhance mobility of disabled person for the ramp. Okay na, next. And design and construction of septic tanks code. And another one is DO 130 series of 2016 guidelines for the implementation of the provision of Republic Act number 6685 and Republic Act number 9710, or the Magna Carta for women for the labor workforce. Manpower requirements include for both projects, one project engineer, one geodetic engineer, one material engineer, one laboratory technician, one foreman, 20 unskilled personnel, 10 skilled personnel, one service driver, one security personnel, one safety officer, and one health officer. Minimum equipment requirements for both projects: cargo truck, all models, 2 to 5 metric tons, 1. Backhoe, zero point 0.8 cubic meter, 1. 1 dump truck, 12 cubic meter, 1 truck-mounted crane, 31 to 35 metric tons, 1 plate compactor, 1 concrete mixer, 1 bagger, 1 concrete vibrator, flexible shaft type, 1 bar cutter, up to 25 mm bar, 1 bar bender up to 25 mm, 1 welding machine, 1 cutting outfit, 1 portable mist-based sanitation tent, 2 thermal scanners, and 1 power sprayer. Material source map. Here's the sample. We used um, location. We used Palomok Quarry for the source of aggregates and gravel. Okay na, next. For any questions and inquiry, you may visit Planning and Design section, or you may contact the number you see on screen for architect Neopito Salinas and yours truly. Questions, sir? Yes. Oh, kabasalan, sir. Ang gravel, ito, sir, ang palumok. Mm. Sa ilalim sa footing, sir. Dili sir, katong ilalom sa footing. Inside nga lean concrete, gravel man ang nakabutang. Oh. Ang kabasalan gyapon. Ilisdan ako sir, pwede pa. Palunok akong ibutang. Okay. Pwede pa i-change. Pareha naman to sila. Balik. Wala, dili item 200. Gravel fill. Kabasalan akong gamiton. Okay. Ang howling source. Hmm. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, next. Building and fire. Environmental pero murag gilam. Na ba? Wala man kung depende naman kung naimay ko nga kahoy. Wala man sir. Katora fire and building permit. Ma'am Job, ma-confirm ka kay di mo ko tig. Ang fire sir, na ako'y rate sir, 0.1%. Murag less plant box kay ni mahal man tong CMPD and kung same total amount 5 million yan. Oh, murag kato ang wala na ako gi-include.
Okay, we will continue. Wala na? Dua na lang. Karing pre-proc na? Ditso na siguro? Walay lang ko. Istorya na lang ta. Is there any other questions? Any motion for the adjournment of the... It has been moved and seconded. The pre-bid is now adjourned.